Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google Pay account is verified and linked to a bank or debit card. This matters because payouts route there. Once done, verify the gift card issuer allows transfers or secondary sales, and make sure the card balance is active. Next, take a clear photo of the card and receipt. Buyers look for proof. Finally, set your listing price competitively. Make a note of fees and expected net proceeds before you post, because that determines your actual payout. You now build a tight listing. Pick a secure marketplace that supports digital card exchanges or a buyer with positive feedback. Escrow is best because it prevents chargebacks. Describe the card, issuer, remaining balance, expiration, and any activation requirements. Add the photo and set a firm price reflecting fees. Once a buyer commits, choose delivery. Send the code via secure message only after escrow confirms payment. Keep communication professional and log timestamps and screenshots for dispute protection. You finish by verifying funds cleared into your Google Pay linked account or escrow before releasing the gift card code. This prevents losses from reversals. After transfer, ask the buyer to confirm receipt and leave feedback, and immediately download all transaction records and screenshots. If a problem occurs, buyer reports invalid code or payment reverses, contact the marketplace or bank with timestamps, message history, and images. Make a clear dispute case. One key tip: never send codes over public.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.